Hey everyone, welcome back to PageToPlate. Today we're going to highlight Radhi Devlukia's smashed Chipotle beans and avocado quesadilla from her New York Times bestselling cookbook, Joyfull. Radhi studied Ayurveda, a traditional Indian system of medicine that emphasizes maintaining balance and harmony in the mind, body, and spirit. Her cookbook not only has incredible plant-based recipes, Radhi educates readers on Ayurveda and how they can implement this traditional Indian practice into their day-to-day to optimize their health and well-being. To make the avocado mash, place the avocado into a bowl. Add salt, cilantro, and lime juice and mix well to combine. Radhi calls for tomatoes for the mash, but we opted out for this dish. When done, set aside for later. For the dipping sauce, mix sour cream, mayo, and a pinch of salt. Stir together and set aside. Heat avocado oil over medium heat in a large skillet. Add the cabbage and asafoetida and stir until soft, about 3 to 5 minutes. We opted not to use the asafoetida for this dish. Add the beans and use a potato masher to mash 3/4 of the beans. Add jalapeno, taco seasoning, oregano, salt, chipotle powder, and tomato paste. Mash the mixture together to distribute the seasonings and tomato paste evenly. Cook for 2 minutes or until the mixture is warmed through. Remove from heat and set aside. Heat a skillet over medium heat and spray with cooking spray. Add a tortilla and toast. Reduce the heat to low and spread enough smashed beans to cover half the tortilla. Place some of the avocado mixture on top. If you'd like to add cheese here, you can. We chose not to. Fold the tortilla in half and press down gently with a spatula. Cook until tortilla is brown or about 3 minutes per side. Repeat with remaining tortillas. Cut the tortillas into wedges and assemble on your plate with your dipping mixture. Garnish with cilantro and lime. Enjoy your plant-based Chipotle bean quesadillas. The list of the ingredients for this recipe and links to Radhi's cookbook and website are in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!